Today, I'm fixing a dishwasher that is not draining and has standing water. First thing I'm going to do is remove the bottom cover held in by 2 screws so that I can access the drain pump and make sure that the drain pump is trying to turn on. I'm going to do this just by selecting a cycle and then closing the door, as the dishwasher drain pump will kick on before the rinse and wash cycle. I can hear the drain pump running, so this rules out any electrical issues. This dishwasher drain is hooked up to a garbage disposal. I want to make sure that there's no blockage at the garbage disposal, and this one looks pretty bad. As I pull off the drain hose, I can see that it is clogged up with gunk, and so is the garbage disposal. I'm going to quickly clean out the hose and this garbage disposal inlet. Then I'm going to reattach the hose and start another cycle to see if the problem is fixed. I can hear the drain pump running, but when I check the drain hose, there is no water coming out. Next, I'm going to remove all of the water from the dishwasher and also remove this dirty dishwasher strainer and dishwasher filter. I'm going to remove the screws that are securing the dishwasher to the side wall. Some dishwashers may be secured at the top. Now the power is off, and I also have access to the dishwasher drain pump. I'm going to remove this drain pump and check for any obstructions such as broken glass. This one is held in by 2 screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. Then I'm going to grab the drain pump and twist it to the left and pull it out. Lots of times I find the blockage here, but not this time. Now I'm going to grab my wet shop vac and hook the hose up from my wet shop vac to the dishwasher drain hose. I'm going to turn on my shop vac, then I'm going to the dishwasher drain pump section and putting my finger over the hole where the water is discharged. If you can feel it sucking, then you know that you got the blockage out. Turn off my wet Stinger vacuum, hook up my drain hose, reattach the drain pump, leave the screws out for now, reapply power to the dishwasher. Then I'm going to start a cycle, let the dishwasher fill all the way up with water. Then I'm going to cancel this cycle, turn the power off, and start another cycle so the drain pump kicks in and see if this fix worked. We are now draining. It appears that we just had a clogged dishwasher drain hose. Now we can reinstall the screws to our drain pump. And I'm also going to clean this garbage disposal splash guard and the dishwasher filter and strainer since they were both quite dirty. Not only will this help the dishwasher drain water better, it'll also help clean the dishes better. Before I go, I'm going to fill up the dishwasher one more time and make sure it drains. Everything's looking good here. This fix is done.